What if your toilet could save you $100 a year? We tested 2025's top 5 toilets, from space-age Japanese bidets to power flush champions, and one budget model beat luxury brands. The winner? Stick around, because number 3 will shock you. All links below. Let's get flushing. Number 1. Woodbridge T0019 Dual Flush Elongated One-Piece Toilet. With a modern look enhanced by its one-piece design, this toilet makes a striking addition to a master bathroom. Like many Woodbridge toilets, this model's simple lines make it easy to clean, with few grooves and crevices to navigate. It features siphon technology for a quiet yet powerful flush that minimizes clogs. A dual flush design allows for 1 gallon and 1.6 gallon flushes for water savings. The seat is set at a higher than average height of 18 inches, making it similar to a chair. An elongated bowl shape gives this modern toilet an overall length of 28.5 inches. An integrated soft closing seat that comes pre-installed prevents banging. This toilet includes a wax ring, water fitting, and floor bolts. The rough in for this toilet is 12 inches. Number 2. Toto CST244EF Entrada Close Coupled Elongated Toilet. This affordable model from Toto features simple lines with an elongated tank and bowl at a price that won't make users feel like they're flushing money down the toilet. In addition to saving cash up front, it will also shave dollars off the water bill, thanks to its low 1.28 gallon flush volume. Despite its reduced water use, the Toto offers ample flush power thanks to a 3-inch wide flush valve and a large siphoning jet and trapway. With its elongated bowl, this toilet is just under 29 inches long with a rough-in depth of 12 inches. A tank-to-bowl gasket for connecting the tank to the toilet is included. This toilet does not come with a seat or wax ring. Number 3. Woodbridge B0960S Electronic Bidet Smart Toilet. Shoppers would be forgiven if they mistook this toilet/bidet combination for something out of a science fiction movie. When approached, the lid automatically opens, welcoming users aboard. The automation doesn't stop there. A heated seat and an air dryer keep users warm while they sit. When the user has finished, the bidet cleanses with a gentle pulsating spray while the warm air gently dries. After rising, an automatic flush toilet function clears the bowl while a built-in ionizer deodorizes the air around it via a carbon filter. A wireless remote lets users customize the whole experience, while a soft blue LED night light makes it easy to find the toilet in the dark. With all this hands-free automation, users might even skip a trip to the sink on their way out. Number 4. Separett Villa 9215 AC/DC Toilet. Whether shoppers are living off the grid with no access to plumbing and sewers, or they're just serious about going green, the Separett Villa 9215 AC/DC toilet is one of the best composting toilets a user can sit upon. The toilet separates solid and liquid waste, catching liquid in a drain that diverts it to a gray water tank. Solids go to a separate holding area with a compostable liner bag, which can be removed once full and taken to a compost area. The toilet uses a fan that operates off an alternating current or direct current electrical connection to vent odors away from the toilet. This toilet mounts to a wall and features a comfortable oblong-shaped seat. With average family use, this composting toilet will generally require emptying every 3 weeks or so. Number 5. Nature's Head Self-Contained Composting Toilet. When it comes to a durable, easy-to-use composting toilet, it's tough to beat this Nature's Head model. It diverts urine into an easily removed tank and features a side-mounted spider handle for churning the solid waste inside the tank. The waste tank is large enough for 2 adults to use full-time, which will require emptying every 4 to 6 weeks. This waterless toilet uses an electric fan to draw fresh air in and push odors out, helping to keep smells at bay. While the fan uses 12 volts of power, it can convert to 110 volts with a kit purchased directly from Nature's Head. So, smart bidet or powerful flush? Comment your pick below. If this video helped you avoid a bathroom disaster, smash that like button, share with your DIY squad, and subscribe for more potty talk. Wink. All purchase links? You know where, description. Now go enjoy that royal flush life.